Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I create beauty and lifestyle videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful and super easy yellow gray eye makeup look with a feline liner. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair because I want that yellow to pop up. So I'm going to blend that all well with a concealer brush, and then I'm going to set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'll be using Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette and the shade called Chillax. I want that winged liner, kind of a winged shadow kind of a look, so I'm using the back of a concealer as just instead of applying a tape, I'm using a back of a concealer as my guide, and I'm gonna place that product first and then blend it. So this is a beautiful gray shade with some shimmer in it, so this is the way it looks like. So I'm gonna place the product and blend it on the outer 2/3 part of my eye. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette and the shade called Off the Grid as my transition shade. Actually, I took a little bit extra. I didn't dust off that excess, so you can see how pigmented that shade is, so use it sparingly. And I'm going to blend that all well with a fluffy blending brush till I just don't want it to be too dark on the outer crease, but I want a beautiful transition between the shades. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go on with the next shade. I'm going to reapply that gray shade once again because while blending it just goes off, so I like to reapply it. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Electric Obsession palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful pop of color that's yellow on my lids. So I'm going to place that product first. I'm not blending it at all, so I'm just placing the product with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to blend that gray and yellow so that it looks all well blended and it doesn't look patchy at all. Next, I'm going to work on my brows. I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, just filling it in and brushing it all over so it looks all natural. This gray shade has a lot of fallout, so you have to be careful while applying it, otherwise use those eyeshadow patches down so that there's no fallout. And I'm going to use LA Girl's Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Beige to cover my under eye dark circles. I'll blend that, and then I'll go over with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, blend that all well, and set it with some translucent powder by Colourpop. Next, I'm going to use NYX Epic Liner, and I'm going to create a nice thin winged liner with a feline. Like, I'm going to elongate my inner corner as well, only from the upper lash line. I'm not going to elongate it from the lower lash line. I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Kajal on my upper and low waterline, and I'm going to use the same shades and on my low waterline as well. I'm going to work on my outer corner with that gray shade and my inner corner with that yellow shade. I really love how this look has turned out to be because I saw this look on a blogger, Dubai based blogger. I am not sure about the name, but I love that. I'm going to use the Balm's Mary Luminizer as my upper eyebrow highlight and inner corner highlight as well. When I speak, I'm in loss of word at times. So see, I'm elongating only the upper lash line, not the lower one. I learned this trick from Rose Benciard. Yeah, she's a beautiful makeup artist. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. This is my favorite mascara of this time. I love how it makes my eyelashes look all elongated. So once I'm done with that, this is the final look, you guys. I have added a bandana. I don't know, I just wanted to add that yellow bandana, and this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shimmers and Polishes again. And guys, there are many more eye makeup tutorial and DIY nail art and crocheting videos on my channel, so do check them out. Show some love to my channel, you guys, and hit that subscribe button and support my channel. And until next time, y'all take care and bye bye.